Welcome to my session. My name is Sent, and I'll be introducing to you a back end language called PHP. So, PHP is popular, PHP is fast and reliable. Now, let me take you to PHP official web page, website. So, this is PHP official website, php.net. You see, it said a popular general purpose scripting language that is especially suited to web development, fast, flexible, and pragmatic. PHP power everything from your blog to the most popular websites in the world. What I try to say, websites like Facebook, Paystack, and Flutterwave, there's many websites you have visited. They are all built on PHP. Sometimes just try to find the extension. You will see that maybe www.index.php. You know, so to know that this site you are in was built on PHP. Okay. Now let's proceed to the installation part. So now, I just mentioned installation. Why do you have to install PHP? Okay, that takes us to how PHP work. Basically, PHP is a server-side scripting language. All right. Oh, I need to turn on my network right now. Okay, so that's my network. Yeah, it's reloading. So PHP is a server-side scripting language. You see, hypertext preprocessor. So for that sake, in order for you to write PHP, oh, they even write it here. PHP is a server-side scripting language and a powerful tool for making dynamic and interactive web pages. PHP is a widely used, free, and efficient alternative. So what does this mean? That in order for you to execute PHP code, you need you need a server. You need a server, okay? And basically, server is based on the internet. That simply means that you will constantly be online to access the web server. Okay. Think about the cost, the data, the time. What about if your PC turns off and you're still working? Think about all of those commotion and everything. So because of all these barriers, Apache and friends went all together and built a local server so that we can install it on our system and be able to work with PHP offline. So that is why when I mention PHP installation, we it get to inform us that oh we need to install PHP. So I will say let me to download the saver. So just type Zams download. Okay. So this is the first link you get whenever you type Zen download. And always do follow this link to download PHP saver. So once you get this saver, you are good to go. So let's click and see the procedures on how to install our XAMPP server. Okay, so now you see we have PHP in our operating system. We have it in Windows, we have it in Linux, and we also have it in Mac. Whatever computer you're using, PHP is available for you. So I'm using Windows, so I proceed to download Windows. And think about the version. This is the latest version, so make sure you download the latest version. So that's for PHP solution. So I'll go ahead and click download right now. Okay. Now, after we download, we'll think about setup. Thank you.